What realtors can learn from Bourbon Distilleries about marketing. Kurt and his wife Suzanne spent last weekend in Louisville and had a chance to visit 4 bourbon distilleries. Distillery tours are great. You learn exactly how bourbon is made, from fermentation to distilling and aging, and at the end you get to taste a few samples. It's both fun and educational. When the tour is over, most participants head straight to the distillery gift store and buy a bottle or two, some branded glasses, or other memorabilia. This got them thinking, what can we learn from the bourbon makers about marketing our services? It's all about the experience. You know that everyone buys with emotion. That's why an exceptional customer experience gets us in an emotional state where we can't resist to buy. The bourbon companies have it figured out. They do a great job creating a unique experience during the tour, so everyone is eager to buy on their way out. Realtors are like bourbon. There are many different bourbons that all look the same to the customer, as all bourbons are liquor of similar color and alcohol content. No differentiation there. Same with realtors. For the average buyer or seller, all realtors offer a similar service, listing a house or opening the doors for showings. A great brand creates differentiation. When you buy bourbon in a liquor store, you see a shelf full of bottles. The only differentiation is the style of bottle and the label. And if you've never tasted a bourbon before, that's all you can go by, the bottle and the label. There may be a brand you recognize, like Jim Beam, the market leader. Perhaps you saw their TV or magazine ads, so you buy it. Same with realtors. There are 8,500 in Columbus. All agents smile on their business card and claims they offer excellent service. If the consumer does not personally know a realtor, they may well go with a brand they recognize, like Remax. That's how we get a lot of extra business every year. How you can create a unique experience. A bourbon distillery tour is a unique experience. It consists of learning, of tasting, and of being part of a group. So how can you create a similar experience as a realtor? We brainstormed this topic during a recent mastermind. Here are some of the ideas we came up with. The Mega Open House. It's a unique experience for buyers to see the product you sell. They also get to mingle with other buyers and learn about the property for sale. A Custom Home Tour. Take a small group of 5 to 10 potential buyers on a caravan and show them 5 homes. In each home, you explain special features and how they would benefit the owner. A first-time buyer seminar for renters. You invite a small group of tenants and teach them exactly how to go about buying a home. Cover all the steps from getting approved, writing a contract, inspecting the house, and the maintenance responsibilities of a homeowner. Do you offer a client experience that separates you apart from other agents? Let us know. We'd love to hear from you. Contact real estate coach Kurt Novak to discuss more at 614-395-7375. And until next time, thank you for watching.